Good morning, Chandler Daggett with MarineMax in Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. And today we're showcasing this brand new trade. It's a 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. It does come equipped with twin 350 JPO joystick. Got ample seating. These lay down flat to make a swim pad that I've demonstrated in the pictures, along with that seat there. Got storage underneath both of these. This seat is actually electrically actuated with the switch here. Nice little cuddy head. Got the Raymarine hybrid touch there. Of course, your joystick. You do have a wet bar with a grill and a stainless steel refrigerator. Large bow area. So you still get the ride quality that you're used to with Boston Whaler, but you've got fantastic seating for a day out on the lake. For more information, give me a call at 573-480-4549, or as always, you can look us up online at MarineMax.com.